Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to solve a question under composition of functions. Okay, so this is the question. We have f of x is equal to 2 plus x divided by x minus 7, and f of g of x is equal to 5 minus 2x divided by 1 minus 7x, and we are to find the function g of x. Okay, so to find g of x, we need to substitute g of x into f of x and equate it to what we have already been given. So we need to determine the function g of x such that composing f with g would yield this which we have been given. Okay, so this means that we have to, so we are going to take this and equate it to what we have been given. So we are going to have f into g of x and substitute to what we have already been given, that's f g of x. Okay, so now f of g of x, we are going to have it as, so we are going to substitute g of x with x in the f of x equation. So it's going to be 2 plus g of x divided by g of x minus 7. So we are going to take that, we are going to take 2 plus g of x divided by g of x minus 7 and equate it to what we have already been given. That is 5 minus 2x divided by 1 minus 7x. So that is what we have. Okay, so now we are going to simplify this. We are going to cross multiply. So we are going to have, so let's take 2 plus g of x. Okay, so we are going to take that times 1 minus 7x equal to, so you take 5 minus 2x times g of x minus 7. Okay, so this is our left hand side, this is our right hand side. So let us expand the left hand side. So our left hand side is 2 plus g of x times 1 minus 7x. Okay, so let's expand this. So this is the same as 2 times is equal to, so this is 2 times 1 minus 2, plus 2 into minus 7x plus 1 times g of x and plus g of x into minus 7x. Okay, so that is what we have. So let me simplify this. So this is 2 minus 14x plus g of x minus 7x into g of x. Okay, so that is our left hand side. So now let's also simplify the right hand side. So the right hand side, we have 5 minus 2x times g of x minus 7. So this is equal to 5 times g of x plus g of x into minus 2x minus 2x into minus 7. Okay, so that is what we have. Okay, so there's a mistake here. So this is 5 times g of x plus 5 times minus 7 plus g of x times minus 2x, and finally minus 2x into minus 7. Okay, so let me simplify this. So this is 5g of x, 5g of x minus 35 minus 2x into g of x, and then plus 14x. Okay, so that is what we have. So now let us equate the two. So we have 2 minus 14x plus g of x minus 7x into g of x. So all this equal to 5 into g of x minus 35 minus 2x into g of x plus 14x. Okay, so now let us simplify. So let's simplify. So now let's bring like terms together. So we can send this one this way. So if we send it that way, we will have 2 minus 14x plus g of x plus g of x minus 5 g of x minus 7x into g of x equal to, so we're left with minus 35 minus 2x into g of x plus 14x. Okay, so this is 1g of x minus 5g of x, so that will give us minus 4g of x. So we will have 2 minus 14x minus 4g of x, now minus 7x into g of x. So this is equal to minus 35 minus 2x into g of x plus 14x. So again, we can bring like terms together. So this and this are like terms, this and this are like terms, and these two are like terms. So okay, so we are going to bring all the terms with g of x on one side and the terms without g of x on the other side. So from there we'll have minus 4g of x minus 7x into g of x. So we will bring this way. So you have plus 2x into g of x. So this is equal to, so the terms without g of x on the other side. So we will have minus 35. We take this 2 this way. So it's going to be minus 2 plus 14x. We take this minus 14 this way. So that is plus 14x. Okay, so now let's simplify. So these two can simplify, these two can simplify, and these two can simplify. So we are going to have minus 4g of x. So this is going to be minus 5x into g of x equal to, so minus 35 minus 2, that's minus 37 plus, So 14x plus 14x, that is 28x. Okay, so that is what we have. So now, since we are solving for g of x, we are going to make it the subject of the formula. So here we can factor g of x out. So we will have g of x into minus 4 minus 5x equal to minus 37 plus 28x. Okay, so we are going to divide both sides by minus 4 minus 5x. So we will have, this will cancel, and we will have g of x is equal to minus 37 plus 28x divided by minus 4 minus 5x. Okay, so this is our g of x. Okay, so since we cannot further simplify, so we will leave it like this, and that is how we can look for g of x when given f of x and f of g of x.